Hi, I'm Liz Wuestefeld, and this is my community partner assignment for SLIS 754 Children's and Young Adult Programs, Spring 2020. You see here on the screen the John L. Dart Library, which is a branch of the Charleston County Public Library, and this is the library where I currently work. If you look down in the left-hand corner, you'll see my little bike right out there. I'm the young adult generalist at this branch. The community partner I'm working with is the Charleston Center, and my contact person there is Sarah Halse. Her information's here on the screen. The Charleston Center is a division of the Charleston County government, and they are a substance abuse prevention, intervention, education, and treatment center. The mission of the Charleston Center is to help the residents of Charleston County live productive lives free from the impact of alcohol, other drugs, and addictive behaviors. They promote active recovery for persons whose lives are affected by addiction. The major activities for the Charleston Center are inpatient and child care services. Of particular note for this project is the New Life program, which provides medically monitored care for pregnant and parenting women who are chemically dependent. They also provide child care for up to 2 children ages newborn to 5 years while the mothers are in clinical sessions. The Charleston Center also provides outpatient services, medication-assisted treatment, urine drug testing services, prevention and education programs, alcohol and drug safety action programs, and persons incarcerated entering recovery program. So what can the Charleston Center offer the library? The Dart Library branch has a large number of tween and teen patrons who like to come to the library after school or on weekends to hang out with friends and play games. Some of the older teens have come into the library recently after smoking marijuana, and they've been asked to leave based on the smell and also their behavior. Other teens have shared with me personally that there are drugs in their home. They haven't said that they themselves are doing drugs, but have said, yes, this is something that I'm around. So I contacted the Charleston Center, and they offered to provide an 8-week course this summer called Botvin. It's 8 sessions, and we'll do one once a week. This is an evidence-based prevention program, and it helps kids cope with anxiety, anger, learn assertiveness and conflict resolution, as well as other skills. And it has been clinically proven that if the kids complete this program, their likelihood of using drugs and alcohol are significantly reduced, and their likelihood of being in physical fights. So what can the library offer the Charleston Center? The library will provide an on-site book collection for the inpatient facility, and we're going to use a community collection grant that the library has already procured just for this type of community partnership. In addition, I'm going to make an early literacy station that will be set up in the New Life program waiting room, which I'm really excited about. That'll be a great way to reach those mothers and also those young children and go ahead and get them ready for those literacy skills. The interview. Sarah and her colleague Renee came to the Dart Library to discuss this partnership with my manager and me, and it was a really good thing to meet them in person and not just talk over the phone. I felt that we were all really enthusiastic about the partnership, and it achieves a lot of goals for both of the organizations, and it was good to make sure that we were all on the same page on things and be able to discuss things in person. During the interview, aha moment, I realized that there is a reason the kids come to the library after doing drugs, and that behavior had made me really angry in the past, but I realized that they actually are crying for help and they probably want to get caught. If, subconsciously there's something that's bringing them into a public place when they're acting very goofy, and this is a great opportunity to address those needs.